Creative leaders see opportunity to solve problems and imagine a world that others don't. The top 52 creative leaders. Innovation, vision, progressiveness, originality, and resourcefulness are all characteristics of successful creative leaders. Creativity was ranked the most important leadership quality for success in business. This is why here at Skilltivity, we have compiled and curated the top 52 creative leaders today. Next up, number 34, Michael Rapino for Live Nation. He's on this list for expanding Live Nation's offerings past tour management to artist recording and marketing. It's a great creative leader tool to use because you got to expand your business. Let's check it out.
Every artist in the world, from a club to a stadium, needs to be on the road to earn a living and engage with their fans. So we're very excited. We kind of can look at ourselves as a league in ourselves with 77 million fans and 26,000 shows. We have many ways to keep growing.
We believe we're in the lucky part of the music business. That 2 hours is unduplicatable. It's growing. Artists are making about 95% of their revenue from the live show. It is the most important piece of their business. We're the best at that. We've expanded in 8 years from 5 to 41 countries. We got a lot of globalization left, and we're going to just keep laser focused on being the largest at what we do live.
Yep.
I don't want to figure out how to distribute the digital revolution on the recorded side.
This guy's got some great insights, and I'll tell you what, if you're able to kind of like pick his brain on some things, that's great. I know I would love to do that. So here at number 34, Michael Rapino, you're on the top 52 creative leaders list. Thank you for watching Skilltivity's top 52 creative leaders. And as you follow our curated list, I provided a resource for you. And it's to help you develop your own creative leadership skills. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Creative Leadership Success. And you can get it for free by clicking on the link below in the description of this video. Also, please subscribe to Skilltivity. We got videos coming, and you want to make sure to follow us as we keep going on this journey. Hit the bell to get notifications of new videos that come. Just know that Skilltivity, we're here to help you move forward in advancing your creative skills. We're always aiming for that. So from me to you, from Carrington to you, see you soon.